Welcome back, guys. This is MJ Crypto, and of course, you are welcome to Tapbit Global Exchange. And right here is the app. And of course, if you've not downloaded the app, simply go to your Play Store and download the app and use the referral code. Definitely, you'll be getting amazing bonuses when you do that through me. And don't forget that on Tapbit Global Exchange, it is an exchange where you can actually trade your spot and derivatives without KYC. All right, meaning that you can start trading the moment you come on board. Isn't that amazing? With the lowest fees. Isn't that amazing? Definitely, that's amazing. So in this video, I want to guide you on how you can become profitable by simply trading on the copy trading platform, meaning copying the trades of master traders. Now, who are master traders? Master traders are basically people who have the expertise, who have the knowledge, who have the technical know-how about how the market moves. Now, I'm going to just simply show you. I'll click on more here and then just simply go to copy trades on my app right there. And Viola, we're right here. Right now, so here you can see these are a list of copy master traders. Master traders. The first guy here, okay, I think this is a Chinese name, but I really don't know how this is pronounced. This is one person. This is another trader now. Perfect zone. This is finder 0. Like so. So down beneath you can see we have lots and lots and lots of master traders. All right, lots and lots of master traders, and you can also see the percentage that they have done so far. Now let's take for example this guy. Let's access this guy, Coinbros. Okay, let's access this guy together. Just click on Coinbros and you can see his AUM is 50.9k. That is his assets under management is 50.9k, and the P&L, profit and loss, is $7,000 within the last 7 days. Now let's check it for the last 30 days. I want to ascertain how profitable this guy is. Okay, he has just 2 followers. I don't think this guy has lasted up to 30 days. Now, this is one of my criteria on how I choose my master traders. I want to actually go with someone that has been in the game for quite some time. So let's check out this first guy. Okay, in the last 30 days, his return on equity has been plus 343. Can you see this? Plus 343. Amazing stuff, guys. Amazing. So now that you've ascertained how much this guy has made over the past 30 days, you can now make your projection to say, okay, in the next 30 days, this guy can also become very profitable. All right, so you can just come here and just click on copy now. Just click on copy now. Right here, just click on copy now. Click on copy now. And then my available amount that I can use to copy this guy's trade is about 105.67 USDT. So it says 10 to 500,000. So I can just put 50, just showing you. And then under the advanced section, we can simply just put the leverage. We can say leverage by traders. Okay, leverage by traders and follow trader settings. All right, so whatever the master trader is doing is definitely going to reflect on my own account. I think I like that. You can set yours if you want to set your own, but to me, I like what this guy is doing so far. He supported pairs, 61 pairs. So you can see all the pairs that this guy is trading, 61. And then you just click on confirm. You see, copied trader. You see it? Now, back to my copies. He doesn't have a current position right now. So as soon as this guy comes on board and initiates a trade, it starts running on my own account. So that's the beauty of copy trading. Now, in essence, why am I saying this? Using Tapbit, you have access to a lot of amazing master traders out there that really know their onions and basically know how the market moves. All right, so joining Tapbit is something you would never regret. It's an amazing platform for you to kickstart your journey as a newbie trader. All right, so use the link within the description of this video. Download. Amazing bonuses are awaiting you upon your first deposit when you use my partner link within the description of this video. I'm going to see you on the inside and wait for more amazing videos such as these guys. One love. Peace out.